Namaste everybody. Welcome to Fungi Fridays, where we respond to all your queries surrounding anything fungi. Should you wash mushrooms before cooking them? We've seen this question a lot, especially after our recent podcast episode. Let's clear things up. Here are some popular methods to clean mushrooms before we cook them. Brushing. Use a brush or a damp cloth or a tissue to wipe off any dirt that you see on the mushroom. Quick rinse. Beware. Mushrooms can absorb water quite quickly. Avoid soaking them. A quick rinse under cold water and then patting them dry with a tissue paper or a towel will do the job. For the chefs out there, lightly coat your mushrooms with flour and then brush it off to clean your mushrooms without using any water. Peeling. Although this method is time consuming, it's very effective. For button mushrooms, you can gently peel off the outer layer to remove the dirt before you can cook them. Make sure that you clean your mushrooms just before you cook them so that you can maintain the texture and flavor. Stay tuned for some bonus tips to enhance the flavor and texture of your mushrooms. Until next time, don't forget to like, share and follow for more Fungi Fridays. Stay curious and as always, in mushrooms we trust.